Echoes of Infinity, humanity's daring dance on the edge of chaos and creation. October 29, 2025, picture this: in a quiet lab, a tiny chip hums with the power to outthink the world's fastest supercomputers. Ancient human skulls reveal secrets of our lightning-fast evolution. And beneath miles of Antarctic ice, entire cities of fish thrive in a hidden world. These aren't scenes from a sci-fi movie, they're happening right now. Quantum computers are shattering records, scientists are rewriting the rules of life and materials, and Earth is sending urgent warnings amid flickers of hope. We're on the brink of a new era, a golden age of discovery in the 2030s, or a slide into chaos if we ignore the signs. This is the story of three interlocking revolutions: the quantum forge, the biological renaissance, and the planetary dirge, and how they're converging to reshape our future. The quantum forge, mastering matter from chaos to creation. Imagine holding a sliver of silicon smaller than a postage stamp. That's Google's Willow quantum chip, with 105 qubits, the quantum version of computer bits. Qubits don't just flip between 0 and 1 like regular bits, they can be both at once, thanks to a weird quantum property called superposition. This lets Willow tackle problems that would take classical supercomputers longer than the age of the universe. In a recent test, Willow simulated quantum scrambling, the chaotic way information spreads in quantum systems, like ink dropped in water swirling into a mess. The key measure is a formula that asks, how garbled does a quantum message get if you poke the system twice, once at the start, once later? It's written like this: $CT equals \Langle, V0, WT, WT, V0, \Wrangle $. Think of it as a chaos meter: 0 equals calm and orderly, growing over time equals total scramble. Willow solved this in just 5 minutes. The world's top supercomputer, Frontier, would need 10 septillion years, a 1 followed by 25 zeros, far longer than stars have existed. This isn't a trick, it's been verified by experts. Unlike Google's 2019 Sycamore demo, more of a stunt, Willow delivers real, practical speed. Why care? This chaos simulation could design new drugs by modeling wild molecular dances, optimize fertilizers to feed billions without poisoning rivers, crack encryption like RSA, making 25% of Bitcoin vulnerable. Google CEO Sundar Pichai posted about it on X, 6 million views, crypto markets shook. McKinsey predicts a $1 trillion quantum industry by 2030. But the fire spreads beyond California. In Tokyo, researchers break physics rules, they zap a simple carbon molecule, adamantane, with an 80,000-volt electron beam, at room temperature. In seconds, nanodiamonds form, 10 billionths of a meter wide, 80% pure. No crushing pressure. No star core heat. Just electron lightning mimicking cosmic explosions. These gems could become ultra-sensitive quantum sensors. Unbreakable phone coatings. Better qubits to fix quantum errors. Now connect the dots. Willow designs perfect diamond structures in simulation. Electron beams mass-produce them. By 2028, diamonds could be cheaper than silicon. Welcome to the materials singularity, a world where we build materials stronger, lighter, and smarter than nature ever dreamed. 2. The biological renaissance, rewiring life, conquering decay, and unlocking human potential. Now zoom into the petri dish. MRSA superbugs kill 1.27 million people a year by ignoring antibiotics. But a forgotten molecule, 100 times deadlier than vancomycin, has been revived. It obliterates persister cells, the zombies of bacteria that hide in biofilms, in 4 hours, not 48. After 30 days of attack. Zero resistance. This isn't hype like Teixobactin, it's real. Human trials begin in 2027. Biology writes poetry in bone. At University College London, 500 ancient skulls were 3D scanned. Result. Humans evolved twice as fast as apes. Brains ballooned from chimp-sized, 400 cc, to modern, 1350 cc, in 7 million years. Faces flattened. Jaws shrank. All to make room for social superbrains, built not for hunting, but for language, art, and strategy. Can we reverse brain aging? McGill University says yes. Seniors, 65 plus, played brain training games, 10 weeks, 30 minutes a day. Result, 20 to 30% more acetylcholine, the brain's focus juice, 25% better memory, and brain scans glowing like 40-year-olds. Alzheimer's. On its way to the history books. For $10 per month, apps could make this global. Go deeper, fish oil, EPA, rewires your metabolism, but only based on your genes. One size fits all is dead. Precision doses could cut heart disease by 30%. In noisy environments, IQ predicts success strongly, R equals 0.7. Hearing aids should boost thinking, not just sound. The future. Willow designs custom antibiotics and EPA molecules. Brain games get quantum tailored. We're not just living longer, we're upgrading. 3. The planetary dirge, Earth's cry amid hidden havens of hope. Joy turns grim. The global tipping points report screams, warm water coral reefs have crossed 1.5 degrees Celsius. 60 million square kilometer bleached white, $36 billion in fisheries and tourism gone. 1 billion people displaced. At 2 degrees Celsius, dominoes fall, Amazon dies. Greenland melts forever. Atlantic currents, AMOC, collapse. By 2050, 90% of corals could vanish. But hope hides in shadows. Corals reattach in 3 phases, touch anchor calcify, with 90% success, if species matched. Drones could reseed the Great Barrier Reef. When iceberg A68 broke off Antarctica, it revealed Fish City, over 1,000 icefish nests under the ice, guarded by ghostly parents in eternal twilight. Discovered by robot Lassie, this is a climate sentinel, proof life adapts in extremes. The symphony plays, quantum computers optimize carbon capture. Nanodiamonds coat heat-resistant corals. Sharper human minds, from games plus EPA, design rescues. Willow models Amazon survival. 4. Convergence, the 2030 horizon and the risks. We can't ignore 3 revolutions fuse. Quantum forge, biological renaissance, planetary dirge fusion, example Willow chip, custom antibiotics and AMP, brain boosts coral reefs and AMP, ice probes, quantum drugs, lotions, diamond probes explore ice, nanodiamond, SEPA and AMP, skull insights, fish cities and AMP, tipping points, diamond coated corals, air saves rainforests, superfast compute, cognition upgrades, climate sentinels, quantum plus IQ restores ecosystems. 2030 vision, $100 billion quantum bioeconomy. 20% coral rebound. Willow tech in flood relief trials by 2027. Risks, quantum arms race, China's Jiuzhang 3.0 is watching. Superbug, complacency. Inequality, brain apps for the rich only. Ethics, who controls quantum decryption? Gene editing? Prophecy, fund the underreported. 10x investment in electron diamonds, icefish, coral drones equals infinite returns. Epilogue, seize the echo. Willow doesn't just compute chaos, it echoes our own. From carbon-based apes to architects of stars, these 10 breakthroughs, quantum leaps, superbug slayers, exploding brains, memory reboots, gene-tuned oils, coral comebacks, fish metropolises, are not endings. They're invitations. You can follow quantum news, try a brain app, support reef projects, demand ethical AI. The universe doesn't bow to gods. It yields to the curious, the bold, the listeners. In this dance on the edge of chaos and creation, will you lead? The infinity is waiting,